Hello everyone, welcome back to Summer Diaries. Do not forget to subscribe.
Hello, friends. Welcome to our learning adventure. Are you ready to have some fun with a new letter today? I'm so happy you are here. Let's see what letter we have in our magic box. It's the letter H. Can you say H? Great job. The H makes a sound like you are breathing out on a cold day. Ha ha ha. Let's try it together. Ha ha ha. Fantastic. Now, let's discover some wonderful words that start with our new letter H. Look up in the sky. It's a helicopter. H is for helicopter. A helicopter has big blades that spin around and help it fly high in the air. Whoa, can you pretend to be a helicopter with your arms? That's so much fun. Oh, what's this crazy creature? It's a hamster. H is for hamster. Hamster are small cuddly pets that love to run on their wheel and stuff their cheek with food. They are so cute and happy. Speaking of happy, H is also for happy. When you are smiling and feeling great, you are happy. I feel so happy when I am learning with you. Look what I have here. It's a hat. H is for hat. We wear a hat on our head to keep us warm in the winter or to shade us from the sun in the summer. And what do we wear on a hat? Our head. H is for head. Gently pat your head. Good job. Let's find one more H word. What's that sweet golden treat? It's a honey. H is for honey. Bees make yummy honey and it's so sweet and delicious. Just like you. Wow, you learned so many H words today. Helicopter, hamster, happy, hat, head and honey. You are such a super learner. Give yourself a big hug. I had so much fun with you. Thank you so much for joining our H letter party. I can't wait to see you again for our next adventure. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Samarth Diaries channel so that you don't miss any future updates. Bye bye for now.